has a gauge down here which shows green until it's full. Then it's red, and that means that you have to empty it. This right here is the batteries. This is how you activate it to stream water into the bowl. So when you're first going to use it, you're going to want to press that button, and water will squirt around the bowl to kind of lubricate the bowl. At which point you go to the bathroom. You activate over here. This is the flush valve. You just simply go like that, hit the thing again to make sure you wash all the residue down, and close it back up. So again, first that, to rinse, to lubricate the bowl, open it, lubricate it again, close it, and that closes all the waste into the bottom container. This right here is how you fill it up. You're going to fill that up until this full gauge says full. So that's essentially the water that then gets pushed into here. There is a bottle of liquid that's right next to the toilet, and that is the solution that you add into the water. It's kind of a disinfectant, and and a deodorizer. So you want 2 capfuls of that liquid for every full tank. 2 capfuls. What you're going to do is there's a latch around the back. You're going to pull that, and it simply comes off. The top comes off. And the bottom now, as you can see, has a seal on it, and has this guy, which is how you empty it. So you're going to take it to where you dump your waste. You're going to unscrew it, and you're going to dump all of the waste into the waste receptacle. If you want to open it to be able to rinse it out, you can manually open it like that, rinse it out, and further flush it. But you're going to want to then close it, close back up, move that back into the center, and the top just simply clicks back on.